Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this series, Mind is Not a Trash Can, we explore the depths of the mind and how we can nurture it towards clarity and peace. Today, we're delving into the topic of delusions and their impact on our mental well-being. Delusions are false beliefs that are held firmly despite evidence to the contrary. They can distort our perception of reality and lead to irrational thoughts and behaviors. Here are the top 5 common delusional behaviors. Delusional behavior number 1. Paranoia, believing that others are plotting against us or that we are being watched or persecuted. Delusional behavior number 2. Grandiosity, having an inflated sense of self-importance or believing that we possess special powers or abilities. Delusional behavior number 3. Jealousy, holding irrational beliefs about the fidelity of our partner or feeling threatened by imagined rivals. Delusional behavior number 4. Persecutory delusions, believing that we are being targeted or harassed by unseen forces or individuals. Delusional behavior number 5. Somatic delusions, holding false beliefs about our bodies, such as believing that we have a serious illness despite medical evidence to the contrary. But fear not. There are ways to overcome delusions and regain clarity of mind. Here are a few things we can do to tackle delusions. Consult with a mental health professional who can provide guidance and support. Challenge delusional beliefs by seeking evidence that supports or contradicts them. Cultivate present moment awareness to observe delusional thoughts without attachment. In some cases, medication may be prescribed to help manage symptoms of delusions. Engage in cognitive behavioral therapy or other therapeutic techniques to explore and challenge delusional beliefs. Surround ourselves with supportive friends and family members who can provide encouragement and perspective. Maintain a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and prioritize rest and relaxation to support overall mental well-being. Say no to alcohol and drugs, as they can exacerbate symptoms of delusions. Learn about the nature of delusions and how they manifest, empowering yourself with knowledge. Be gentle and patient with yourself as you navigate the process of overcoming delusions. Now, let's fill our minds with affirmations to overcome delusions. I am grounded in reality, free from the grip of delusions. I trust in my ability to discern truth from falsehood. I release all irrational beliefs and embrace clarity of mind. I am resilient and capable of overcoming delusions with strength and perseverance. I choose to focus on the present moment, letting go of delusional thoughts from the past. I am deserving of clarity and peace of mind, and I welcome them into my life. I let go of all fear and uncertainty, embracing the truth that lies within me. I am in control of my thoughts and beliefs, and I choose to align them with reality. I am supported by a loving community that encourages me to seek help and guidance. I am brave and courageous, facing delusions with an open heart and mind. I trust in the wisdom of professionals who guide me on my journey towards clarity. I release all attachments to delusional beliefs, allowing them to dissolve with ease. I am open to new perspectives and insights that help me navigate the complexities of my mind. I choose peace over chaos, letting go of delusions that disrupt my inner harmony. I am anchored in truth and reality, grounded in the present moment. I release all doubts and uncertainties, embracing the certainty of my own inner wisdom. I am a beacon of clarity and insight, guiding others towards truth and understanding. I let go of all resistance and surrender to the flow of life, trusting in its inherent wisdom. I am resilient and adaptable, capable of overcoming any challenge that comes my way. I choose to embrace reality with an open heart and mind, free from the shackles of delusion. Well, thanks for watching. Remember, our minds are not dustbins for delusions. By seeking help, practicing mindfulness, and nurturing self-compassion, we can overcome delusions and embrace a life of clarity and truth. Let's choose clarity over confusion and walk the path towards healing and wholeness.